welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make authentic North Indian style aloo paratha. In this winter you can enjoy this aloo paratha with any green chutney or yogurt. So let's get started. For this aloo paratha, first we will going to make a dough. In this bowl I have taken 1.5 cup of wheat flour or atta. Let's add half teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of carom seeds, ajwain. This is optional. Mix it. Now add little water and make a medium soft dough. So as you can see, my dough is ready. Your dough should not be very soft or very hard. Otherwise, when you will make your paratha, stuffing will come out. That's why you need to make your dough medium soft. You can see it's very nicely done. I'm going to apply little oil into this. Now cover this and let's make the potato stuffing. Now for the potato stuff, here I'm going to mash these 2 boiled potatoes with the help of fork. So now in this potato I'm going to add few chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, chopped onion, 2 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder or amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add 1/4 teaspoon red dry chili powder. This is optional. If you want to add, you can add. Now give this a good mix. Now I'm going to use my hand for making this potato stuffing. I'm not adding ginger paste in this mixture. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of ginger paste. I forgot to add garam masala, so I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix again. Now finally the stuffing is ready. Let's make the paratha. Today I'm going to make green chutney. So in this blender I'm going to add all the ingredients here. First I'm going to add the coriander leaves, few green chilies, 1 small ginger, add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder or amchur powder. Add very little water into this and make a fine paste. As you can see, paste is ready. Now let's add 3 to 4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Blend this one more time. Finally, the chutney is ready. Now transfer it into a bowl. Now let's make the paratha. Turn on the heat. Take a very small portion of dough. Make a small ball. Cover it. I have taken 2 tablespoons of stuffing. If you want, you can take 1 tablespoon, but I like little more stuff inside my paratha. Now let's make the paratha. First, from the sides of the paratha, try to make it flat from the edges. Flip it and roll it again from the other side. Place it on the tawa. Let's make another paratha. Take a small portion of the dough, make a ball, roll it, take 2 tablespoons of stuffing, seal it. It's perfect. Now roll it from both the sides. Make sure no stuffing come out from your paratha. Another paratha is also ready. Flip it. You can make your paratha with the help of oil or ghee. I am using ghee. Flip it on the other side. Let's add little more ghee. Paratha is ready. Let's make another one. At this time, you make sure your heat should be low medium. Crispy delicious paratha is ready. The same way I will make some more parathas. Delicious aloo paratha is ready. Serve this paratha with yogurt or green chutney. Today I made coriander leaves chutney. Before you serve your paratha, add little butter on it. It gives delicious mouth-watering taste. For more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe my channel Shuli's Kitchen. See you next time. Till then, eat fresh, stay healthy. Before serve your paratha, just spread little butter on it. You can see it's nicely stuffed paratha.